Hi, Julie! Yep.
Yes, busog na kami.
First film fest mo ba yung Kubot? First film festival.
First film fest.
Kamusta ang experience?
It was actually a fun experience for me kasi parang actually nagtitaping kami, parang hindi kami nagtitaping. Parang alam mo yun, parang normal na kwentuhan, kasiyahan, ganyan-ganyan. And it was really, really fun working with, of course, the Ding Dong and the other veteran actors and actresses there. So, yeah, all in all, kasi on and off cam talagang okay kami, as in like chill.
Ano yung role mo pala without spoiling anything?
Okay. Without spoiling?
Baka meron lang.
Actually, alam na nila yun.
Ay, okay.
Ali, ako po din yun si Stacy. Isa po ako sa mga gagawa ng Armas ni Kuya Ding Dong. Saka, yeah, bale, tandem po kami dito ni Abra. So, ayun po. Yun muna. Yun muna.
May collaboration with Abra for the theme song.
Eto po, yeah.
Meron.
Eto na po yun.
Anong title?
Deadma po. Yeah, Deadma. Actually, nung ginawa namin ni Abra yung collaboration, pinag-usapan namin to nung Phil Pop. Parang sabi ni Abra, Julie, gawa tayong collaboration with you. Oh, sige, okay, I'm down to do a collaboration with you. And then, parang pinag-usapan namin yung theme. Noong una, parang it's about a higher power. Pero, simula nung nagsinulat na namin yung kanta, para doon na pumapasok yung touch of reality din. So, parang nandun na lahat, doon na sa kanta yun. And it serves as an eye-opener din to everyone din. So, parang awareness na rin sa kanila. And we're really, really glad na we came up to this song na naging theme song po ng Kubot kasi it really suits the movie. So, ayun po. Nung ginawa namin ni Abra yung collaboration, hindi kami nag-usap. Basta sinabi lang namin, sige sa akin yung chorus sa'yo yun. Tapos, parang sinabi namin na mas maganda sana kung balance siya and manuneutralize siya. Kung may light part ng song, may dark side ng song, di ba? So, ayun. Surprisingly, nung tinignan namin sa recording, parang, naging swak yung content mismo. And, yeah, I'm happy and glad, we're happy and glad na nagustuhan ng marami din tao. So, yeah, parang dahil ko sinabi.
So, hindi siya para kasi aalis nga siya. Para madala